In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow download in uTorrent. We'll walk through a few key settings in uTorrent Web that can make a noticeable difference to your download speeds, while keeping things simple and safe. Start by opening uTorrent Web in your browser so you can see your torrents and main controls. At the top left, click Options. This opens the menu you'll use to fine-tune how the app talks to the network. From there, choose Preferences. Preferences is where most performance-related settings live, so everything we need is in one place. First, open the Connection section. Here you'll see the listening port uTorrent uses for incoming connections. Set this to a number in the range of 50,000 to 60,000. Using a higher, less common port can reduce conflicts with other apps and may help avoid ISP shaping aimed at default BitTorrent ports. Pick any value in that range, then confirm the change. If you prefer not to choose a port manually, you can let uTorrent handle it. Enable the randomized port option, then turn on UPnP port mapping and NAT-PMP port mapping. These allow your router to automatically forward the correct port to your computer so peers can reach you more reliably. If your router supports these features, enabling them usually improves connectivity with minimal effort. Next, go to the bandwidth section. This is where you control how much of your connection uTorrent is allowed to use. The most important setting here is the maximum upload rate. Set this to about 70 to 80% of your actual upload speed. Leaving some headroom prevents your connection from getting saturated by uploads, which can choke your downloads and slow everything down. If you're not sure what your upload speed is, check the number from your internet plan or a recent speed test. As a quick guide, take your upload speed in megabits per second. Divide by 8 to get megabytes per second, then convert to kilobytes per second, and enter 70 to 80% of that value. It doesn't need to be perfect. An approximate number within that range works well. After you've adjusted the connection port and upload limit, apply your changes. Give uTorrent a moment to reconnect to peers. You should see healthier swarm connections and more stable download rates without starving your network for other tasks. If needed, pause and resume a torrent to nudge the new settings into effect. That's it. With a smarter port choice, automatic port mapping, and a balanced upload cap, you'll remove the most common bottlenecks behind slow downloads in uTorrent Web. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.